Circuncisión R. Mendoza versus Aurora Mendoza Fermin. Leonardo G. Mendoza allegedly married to petitioner Circuncisión R. Mendoza. Leonardo died on November 25, 1986. In the testate proceedings of her father's estate, respondent Aurora Mendoza Fermin, being the legitimate and eldest daughter of Leonardo, was appointed as one of the administratrix. In March 1989, petitioner submitted to the probate court an inventory of Leonardo's properties and included therein a parcel of land. Sometime in 1990, when respondent was the one preparing an inventory of the properties of her late father as directed by the probate court, she discovered that her father and petitioner purportedly sold the said property to one Eduardo C. Sanchez, as evidenced by a deed of absolute sale dated September 22, 1986. However, the deed of absolute sale was registered with the Register of Deeds for the city of Parañaque only 5 years after the alleged transfer. Meanwhile, petitioner did not inform the tenants of the property that a certain Eduardo C. Sanchez already owned the same, and in fact continued to collect the rentals of the property even after the alleged sale. Convinced that the signatures appearing in the deed of absolute sale did not fit that of the genuine signature of her father, respondent filed a case for annulment of deed of absolute sale, transfer certificate of title, and damages, praying that the deed of absolute sale in the transfer certificate of title registered in the name of Eduardo C. Sanchez to be declared null and void. The issue, whether or not the court recognized that the technical nature of the procedure in examining forged documents calls for handwriting experts. Court held no. The resort to this expert is not mandatory or indispensable because a finding of forgery does not depend entirely on their testimonies. Judges must also exercise independent judgment in determining the authenticity or genuineness of the signature in question and not merely rely on this expert's testimony.